In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find aesthetic room decor using pictures on Taobao. We'll use Taobao's built-in image search so you can shop by photo and match the exact vibe you're going for, even if you don't read Chinese. Start by opening Taobao.com on your computer. If the site loads in Chinese, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to English in Chrome to make navigation easier. Go ahead and log into your account so you're ready to save items as you browse. On the Taobao homepage, head to the main search bar. Right beside it, you'll see a small camera icon. That's the image search tool, and it's the shortcut to finding decor that matches any reference picture you have. Click the camera icon. A small pop-up window will appear, prompting you to upload an image from your computer. Click the orange upload button and select your picture. Taobao supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and screenshots work too. You can use any aesthetic room decor photo you've saved, whether it's a Pinterest room setup, LED strip lights, a minimalist side table, a Scandinavian lamp, wall posters, mirrors, floating shelves, a cozy rug, airy curtains, or a full bedding look. Clear, well-lit images usually produce the best matches. Once your image uploads, Taobao automatically searches and shows results based on what it detects in the photo. You'll see similar items, the same overall aesthetic, different color options, price comparisons, and listings from multiple sellers. Even if you can't read the text, scroll through the pictures to spot close matches. If you want more detail, use Chrome's Translate to English again on the results page. This helps you understand product titles, descriptions, reviews, prices, and available variations like size or color. It's especially helpful when you're comparing similar items. To refine the results, look to the left-hand side for filters. You can narrow by category such as lamps, shelves, or posters, set a price range, sort by sales volume, toggle shipping options, and choose styles like minimalist, Korean, Scandinavian, or boho. Applying a few focused filters will keep results relevant without hiding good alternatives. When something catches your eye, click into the product page. Review the seller rating, monthly sales, and buyer photos to gauge quality and accuracy. Check variant options to confirm the size or color matches your reference, and verify shipping availability for your location. If you like the item, add it to your cart with the Add to Cart button labeled Jia Ru Go Wu Cha, or save it for later with Add to Favorites labeled Shou Kang. Building a curated list makes it easy to compare and finalize your aesthetic room decor. That's it. Simple, visual, and effective. Happy decorating!